there any particular like most memorable moments of one of those trips? Because I feel like there probably are quite a few.
Probably the most memorable one is we bought a car, a Jeep J10 from 1980 from a guy that claimed that he had bought this from James Brolin. And he had apparently won this car in a desert race back in California, back in the days with the big boys. So we were really, really excited about this car. Start driving, and it gets really, really dark. I mean, the gauge cluster was not working. Nothing was working, right? We didn't know how much gas we had in there, and we were in the middle of Kentucky. Of course, the car dies, and we're just so tired and fed up. And we were going to camp through that whole trip. So we end up pushing the car on someone's property, and just pulled out our sleeping bags, laid down on the floor. And the next thing we remember is that there's this guy that's there with a rifle that's about, it's huge. And he's on our nose like this. He said, "What the fuck are you doing at my property?" And us with our little European accents are like, "Okay, sorry, sir. You got it. Just broke down and this. Well, you got 10 minutes to get off my property." And that car...
That's savage.
Yeah, that car, by the way, is still around here.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah. Intentions were never to sell these cars. One of those J10s, I believe I was 18 when I got that. Yeah, I mean, it had no value, right? Not like any classic Porsche or... Anyhow, I finished that car. I drove it with lots of pride through Belgium and, on a daily basis. And the CEO of Jeep Europe, he contacted me and he said, "Look, this is so beautiful what you've done. Can I come and see the vehicle?" I said, "Yeah, sure, come around." And the guy shows up, super nice. And he says, "I know it's not for sale, but everything has a price. I need this car for in the showroom, and we're going to do road tours with it and this and that." And he just keeps on pushing the number up and up and up and up. And at a certain point, you're like, you know what, how far is he going to go, right? And in the meantime, in my math, I'm like, okay, well, I can do another one of those for what he's offering me. I can put a down payment on a house with that money. So at a certain point, I just crack and tell him, okay, well, let's do it.